Hey everyone, in this guide I'm going to show you how to export data from HubSpot to Excel using the full 2026 layout. Exporting your data is extremely useful for creating reports, backing up your CRM, sharing information with your team, or analyzing everything inside spreadsheets. So first, open your browser, go to HubSpot.com, click Log In, and sign into your HubSpot account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. From the top navigation bar, click CRM, and then choose the object you want to export. This could be contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or even custom objects depending on your account. For this example, let's say you're exporting contacts. Once the contacts table opens, you'll see your entire list on the screen. Before exporting, you can use filters to narrow down your data. For example, you can filter by lifecycle stage, contact owner, lead status, or date created. This is very helpful if you only need a specific segment of data instead of your entire database. When you're ready, go to the top right corner, click the Actions dropdown, and choose Export. HubSpot will now ask you to select your file format. Choose Excel XXS if you want the file to open directly in Microsoft Excel. You can also choose CSV if needed. Click Next to continue. Now select which properties you want included in the export. This is where you decide what columns appear in your Excel file. You can include basic fields like name, email, phone number, and company, as well as advanced fields like deal stage, revenue, owner, and any custom properties you've created. Once everything is selected, click Export. HubSpot will generate your export file in the background and send a download link to your email address. Open your email inbox and click the download link. Your data will download instantly and open inside Excel as a spreadsheet. From here, you can sort, filter, create charts, share with teammates, or store your data for records and backups. And that's it. That's how to export data from HubSpot to Excel using the 2026 setup. It only takes a couple of minutes and gives you full control over your CRM data outside of HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you